Today we are going to take a look at a studio unit at Marriott Aruba Surf Club. Coming right up. Hello, this is Jeremy with Destination Timeshare. Immediately upon entering the studio unit is the bathroom. Large and spacious, and it includes plenty of toiletry items to get you at least part of the way through your stay. Next up is the small kitchenette, consisting of a microwave with sink, small fridge, coffee maker and toaster. There's also dinnerware and silverware for 2 people. Now let's move into the main living room and bedroom area. We were actually staying in the larger full 2-bedroom lockoff villa. If you'd like to see the full unit, please click on that information card in the upper right. Unfortunately, the studio unit contains only a queen-size bed, but also has a small pull-out sofa. This is in contrast to many other Marriott studio units that contain a king-size bed. There's also a small dining area that can seat 2, and a large flat-screen TV that can keep you entertained in the evening or anytime you like. So there you have it, a quick tour of the studio unit at Marriott Aruba Surf Club. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, along with timeshare tips, resort reviews, or industry news, please be sure to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at your next destination, a timeshare.